Hello and welcome to the channel. This is how to start Amazon FBA. Starting an Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon business, can be a lucrative venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Research and select a product. Conduct market research to identify a profitable product niche. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Consider factors such as product size, weight, durability, and potential for differentiation. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for a professional seller account on Amazon's Seller Central platform. This account type allows you to access FBA and other advanced selling features. Pay the required subscription fee to activate your account. Source your products. Find reliable suppliers or manufacturers to source your products. You can explore options such as Alibaba, trade shows, or local manufacturers. Request product samples and compare prices, quality, and shipping options before making a decision. Branding and product labeling. Create a brand name, logo, and packaging design that resonates with your target market. Ensure that your products meet Amazon's labeling requirements, including proper product identification, barcodes, and safety labels if applicable. Create product listings. Write compelling and keyword-rich product listings that highlight the unique features and benefits of your products. Use high-quality product images and optimize your listings for search engine visibility. Follow Amazon's guidelines for creating effective listings. Set up Amazon FBA. Enroll your products in Amazon's FBA program. This allows you to send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers, where they will handle storage, packing, shipping, and customer service on your behalf. Follow the FBA guidelines for packaging and shipping your products to Amazon. Optimize product rankings. Implement search engine optimization, SEO strategies to improve the visibility of your products in Amazon's search results. Optimize your product titles, bullet points, descriptions, and back-end keywords to increase organic traffic and conversions. Monitor sales and inventory. Regularly monitor your sales performance, inventory levels, and customer feedback. Utilize Amazon's Seller Central dashboard and reporting tools to track key metrics and make data-driven decisions. Replenish inventory in a timely manner to avoid stockouts. Marketing and promotion. Implement marketing strategies to increase product visibility and drive sales. Utilize Amazon's advertising platform, Amazon Advertising, to run sponsored product ads, product display ads, or video ads. Leverage social media, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and other channels to promote your products outside of Amazon. Customer service and reviews. Provide excellent customer service to earn positive reviews and build a strong reputation. Respond to customer inquiries promptly. Address any issues or concerns, and encourage customers to leave feedback and reviews on your product listings. Remember, building a successful Amazon FBA business takes time, effort, and continuous learning. Stay updated with Amazon's policies and guidelines. Stay competitive by monitoring market trends, and consistently optimize your product listings and marketing strategies to maximize your sales potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.